Do you often wake up feeling tired, even after a full night's sleep? Do you feel weak, drained, and unable to focus on your daily tasks? If yes, you may be experiencing chronic fatigue or weakness. But don't worry. Today, I'll share with you an ancient Ayurvedic remedy called Ashwagandha Nourishing Milk that can help restore your energy, boost your stamina, and bring back your natural vitality. Why fatigue happens? Fatigue and weakness are extremely common in today's fast-paced world. They often happen because our lifestyle is no longer balanced. Some of the most common causes include poor diet that lacks essential nutrients, irregular sleep patterns, stress and anxiety, overwork without enough rest, low hemoglobin or anemia, and even weak immunity or chronic illness. When these factors pile up, our body doesn't get the nourishment and recovery it needs. And the result? We feel tired all the time, even without doing much. Symptoms of fatigue, chronic weakness. So how do you know if you're actually suffering from chronic weakness? Look out for these signs: feeling tired all day long, trouble focusing or concentrating, muscle weakness or body aches, irritability and mood swings, low motivation and productivity, and sometimes even dizziness or shortness of breath. If you've been noticing these symptoms for weeks, it's time to take action. Ayurvedic remedy, Ashwagandha Nourishing Milk. Now let's move to our natural remedy, Ashwagandha Nourishing Milk. Ashwagandha, often called Indian ginseng, is one of the most powerful rejuvenating herbs in Ayurveda. It's a natural energy booster, a stress reliever, and an immunity enhancer. Ingredients you will need, with pauses for effect: 1 teaspoon of ashwagandha powder, 1 glass of warm milk, around 250 milliliters, 1 teaspoon of honey, optional, and a pinch of cardamom or cinnamon for taste, also optional. Preparation. Steps. Clear, step by step. Here's how you prepare it. Step 1. Take 1 glass of milk and heat it until it's warm. Step 2. Add 1 teaspoon of ashwagandha powder. Step 3. Stir well and let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Step 4. Allow it to cool slightly. Then add 1 teaspoon of honey when it's lukewarm. Remember, never add honey to boiling hot milk. Step 5. For extra flavor, you can add a pinch of cardamom or cinnamon. And that's it. Your Ashwagandha Nourishing Milk is ready. Drink this once daily, preferably at night before going to bed. This helps your body absorb the herb while you sleep, promoting deep relaxation and rejuvenation. Benefits of Ashwagandha. Milk. So how does this simple drink help you? It boosts stamina and physical strength, reduces stress and anxiety, nourishes muscles and nerves, improves sleep quality, enhances immunity and overall vitality, and even helps balance hormones naturally. In Ayurveda, ashwagandha is called a rasayana, which means a rejuvenator that slows aging and restores energy at a deep level. While ashwagandha is safe for most people, there are a few precautions to remember. Avoid during pregnancy or breastfeeding unless prescribed by a doctor. If you have thyroid disorders or autoimmune conditions, consult your physician first, and don't exceed the recommended dosage. Also remember, Ayurveda works best when combined with a healthy lifestyle, a balanced diet, regular exercise, and proper rest. So, if you're struggling with fatigue or chronic weakness, don't ignore it. Start with this simple Ashwagandha Nourishing Milk remedy. Take care of your lifestyle and give your body the nourishment it deserves. Within just a few weeks, you'll notice more energy, better focus, and a stronger, healthier body. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural remedies, health tips, and wellness guides. And hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.